Yo-yo dieting is wrecking your metabolism. In this video, I'm going to share with you how yo-yo dieting is damaging your metabolism and what you can do to fix it. If you stay until the end, I'll share with you my 11 research-backed tips to help you stop yo-yo dieting and finally maintain your weight loss once and for all. To get even more weight maintenance strategies, the same ones I've used to help hundreds of people lose weight and keep it off, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and tune in for a brand new video every single Tuesday. Metabolism refers to all of the chemical processes that take place in your body to sustain life. But in our context, specifically speaking about weight loss and weight maintenance, metabolism refers to the number of calories that you burn per day and how this number may influence your ability to lose or maintain weight. When you intentionally eat fewer calories than you need to lose weight, your body fights back by reducing your metabolism or reducing the number of calories that you burn in a given day. And this occurs as an adaptation to conserve energy and ultimately protect you from starvation. Now, you and I both know that when you are dieting, you're not literally starving, but your body doesn't know the difference. So as an innate survival mechanism passed on from prehistoric times in our ancestors, several adaptations take place to reduce your metabolism. Has dieting impacted your metabolism? In the comments section below, write "not for long" to take your first step in getting a firm grip and control back on your food, health, and weight. The longer you diet, or the lower you reduce your calorie intake, the stronger those adaptations I mentioned become. And this means your metabolism becomes extremely slow, to the point that you may even stop losing weight despite eating fewer than 1,200 calories per day. And the longer you spend eating this little tiny amount, the more accustomed your body becomes to this calorie intake, and ultimately it becomes your new maintenance or normal intake. The result? Anytime you eat significantly more, such as during a binge or cheat meal, your body prioritizes storing these additional calories as body fat to protect itself against future stress. In a recent video, I defined yo-yo dieting as the alternating pattern of intentional weight loss followed by unintentional weight regain. Well, when you continue to alternate periods of a very low calorie intake with periodic binges, your metabolism never has time to truly heal. Thus, your body remains accustomed to a very slow metabolism and continues to prioritize body fat storage each time you binge. And this vulnerable state makes it impossible to lose significant weight and, not to mention, sustain what weight you do lose. And actually, it primes you to continue yo-yo dieting, regaining weight, and experiencing negative body composition changes. It's time to stop dieting. Continuing to do so will make your metabolism that much slower and create an even greater uphill battle to achieving sustainable permanent weight loss. To stop yo-yo dieting, you need to begin to gradually increase the number of calories you are eating each day. And fortunately for you, I made a specific step-by-step video that shows you how to do just that. Click the link in the top of your screen or immediately below this video to start watching. And also be sure you download my free guide that shares my 11 best tips to successfully break the yo-yo dieting cycle, restore your metabolism, and maintain weight loss once and for all. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to tune in for a brand new video every single Tuesday. And of course, make sure you take a moment to share this video with a friend, colleague, or loved one who you know would also benefit. It's time to stop damaging your metabolism and to make positive, lasting change in your habits that will ultimately lead to healthy, sustainable, permanent weight loss. Type a big capital YES with an exclamation point in the video comments section just below this video if you're ready to finally start healing your metabolism. And remember, make sure you download my 11 best tips to break free of the vicious yo-yo dieting cycle, and you can do that by simply clicking the link right below this video. Thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next video.